Because I think we're supposed to be together, because it's 3 months in Lux, so we couldn't. And I told him, okay, we'll split together.
Okay. So IEEEXtreme is taking place inshallah on 25th of October. So this is the countdown. Usually it opens around 3 a.m. till the day after 3 a.m.
What's the day from 3 a.m. to 3 a.m.?
No. Okay, so what we will do here for you, we will offer 12 hours on campus, and the other 12 hours you can spend offline. Okay? But you at least work with your team to complete the work.
What happens if I only do 12 hours? Only did like 12 hours.
Only? It's okay. I mean, the thing is, with every hour that comes and every new problem that's added, people still interact, and there is a time difference between you, let's say, in China and US. So the time you're sleeping in, other people are active in.
We're competing in
You're competing around against the whole world.
No.
That's the whole world. Like you will find hundreds of countries.
So wait, doctor, what if we do stay home for hours?
That's perfect.
Does anyone
Like, do people
actually
do
stay
that?
from our university?
People do that?
There are?
Yeah, wallah.
Yeah,
I remember
now.
people, I mean, they take naps and they continue.
When's the nap? It's every hour.
Okay, so we're not making it hard on you, okay? You can still continue offline for 12 hours. But again, this is your own rank. Sometimes, and this happened, we've witnessed that. Sometimes they stop, let's say, at 12 a.m. and there's still like 3 hours left. They go home, they sleep. When they have, let's say, rank 10, they wake up seeing their rank dropped, let's say, to 20 or 25. Because people are still active, they progress in the time you are inactive in.
It starts Saturday 3 a.m. and Friday night?
No, it starts
Or Sunday evening. Which one?
نهاية Friday. نهاية Friday.
Also,
Okay,
so
so
it's
it
Friday
ends
and
Saturday
Saturday.
3 a.m.
Saturday full day.
Yeah, it ends in Saturday night.
Yes.
Fajr.
أيوة
Wait,
فجر. Can you يبقى Sunday?
So Saturday night?
No, Friday night.
So Friday
Saturday-
3 a.m.
Yeah, you should be.
Yeah.
I should be at the uni.
لا Relax.
When do we come to uni though?
No. We will open the on-site from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m.
And we don't come to university?
But
You can choose the good time for you. You can
What
come
time
at
it
10, you
opens
can
in
come at
university?
11.
So we
will
have an
open it
exam
at
كمان.
9.
Yeah, we have an exam.
Arabic exam.
Saturday?
Yes.
Fine, it's okay.
نروح الإكزام نرجع
Yeah,
نكمل. Wow.
that's fine. This is not exam, guys. Okay?
Yeah.
عادي بتاكلوا بتشربوا
واحد
you pray.
يعني جهاز واحد ولا أكثر من جهاز بس
عادي doesn't matter. The final answer has to be submitted on one device. obviously. Yeah.
If you're our proctor.
But you can work on separate machines على different questions and then you put the answers at once. if you want.
No, it's one question per hour.
Not really.
Then what?
What do you mean?
So this is based on the level of the question. So some questions are classified to be easy. They put easy on it. Or let's say medium or hard or hardest.
Can I ask like what?
I'll show you. I'll show you the entire practice from last year.
طيب حتى ايش اللغة اللي بنستخدمها؟ We can choose any language, right?
You can choose any language.
Python,
Yes.
Java.
Python, Java, C,
What do you recommend?
Ruby,
Python
PHP.
أكيد.
Get to
Python,
learn.
Python.
If you're good in Python, work with it. You will need it. It's going to be very helpful to you. C as well. Not sure if anyone
We didn't
knows.
We took Python one term and after we forgot it.
Not gonna lie. Oh, that's a phone. Okay.
So wait, doctor, how often do they drop the questions if it's not hourly?
Okay, so they do every 1 hour, they post, it depends again on the level of the questions. So if it's easy, they can post 2 or 3, let's say, at once, in 1 hour.
Do they give you a question based on your year?
On your?
Year.
I don't think they know.
Do you have resources?
I
No,
can
I
see
think
them.
they know
Open
everything.
resources.
Is it about like how pretty? Like, okay, wait, sorry.
How efficient?
no
Most of
time
the
efficient,
problems
space
depend on
efficient.
memory and depends on the efficiency.
Do they tell us if they wanted space efficient?
Space
Yes.
complexity and time
Yes.
complexity.
Oh, and
You will need that as structure along with
Oh
the
my
test.
God.
Okay?
if you're our proctor, can we ask us to the code or?
I mean, yeah, we can. We're not allowed to, honestly, but we can. We can. Okay. Okay. Like, let me tell you briefly about this day. So again, during these hours from 9 to 9 or 9 to 12, even we can open it. You don't worry about anything during these hours, okay? So lunch, whatever, dinner, drinks, water, everything is gonna be covered. So again, if you wanna prepare better, maybe you wanna sleep early. That's it. So you would at least be awake.
And I'd be awake بس I'd be
Before, like,
I'd be never gonna
start
sleep.
sleeping.
No, doctor, we're gonna be so prepared.
هذا بيجي with
We're gonna make you proud after the midterm.
Very
Is
helpful.
there object oriented in it?
Yeah, I'll show you the topics exactly now. Like, let me jump to the. Okay, there are some classifications for the awards. They have first place, second place, third place. That's global. That's global. Okay.
No one won global from our university.
No, the one we did last year was top around on Saudi. Yes.
Oh, it's
This
a
year it's global.
Also, if you get globally, you get the trip to IEEE.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Fully covered.
Where is that? I'm not gonna ask.
Of your choice. Of your choice.
Now we're competing.
Your choice. You can pick the country of any IEEE
طبعا احنا now يعني we're competing against who?
around the world.
يعني هلا no one's gonna win first place from us. If it- Are you gonna compete us against the university?
Okay, we have two classifications.
That's what I-
One that's around the university. Sorry, around the
Saudi.
universe. One that's around the world. One that's around Saudi, just Saudi. Okay. There are three actually. One around the region, one around the Saudi, one around the world. We're gonna make it easy on you. We're not asking you for these two.
Around the
So
region
just go on Saudi. Okay. Try to achieve good ranking and you're competing with other universities like
So we're not
Sultan,
competing
King
against
Saud.
people with us.
Hmm?
يعني I'm not competing against these people.
No, no,
She's
no.
with me. يعني.
No, yeah, you work as a team. Thank you. So this point,
I
let
thought
me
she
raise
was
it.
in my office. There is nothing against each other, so we help each other.
Wait, so doctor
Yeah, you build groups actually, that's the thing. You build groups of 3-4 people, you work together.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
Most of you just submit single. I
And
saw.
these groups, are they against each other or
No,
together?
no, no. I mean,
بعض
yeah, of
أطفال
course.
الجامعة.
Yeah, teams are against each other.
That's
But
what I
one team could have 3-4 people. No, then
That's
you're
what I
affecting
mean.
your own rank.
بس انا عارفه ان انا ما رح افوز
يعني
That's the case, we all support.
بعض
يعني إذا في hope على one team, we all support.
إيه.
قصدي هذا اللي اقصد انا عارفه ان انا مستحيل
لا ليش ليه؟ Yes, please. And I'll show you the exact topics that we see.
so
So some questions you can solve. Easy classify to be easy. Okay? So you will know how to solve. With the medium hardest, it's a bit covering.
What, the name?
Sabi.
صاحب the one that was specialist, huh? The alumnus specialist, yeah. But that I did that.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sorry. What
يا رب يكون بيا صوتك.
how the
يا صح.
I didn't hear the question.
I copied the code from ChatGPT.
It affects your grade.
Yeah.
They build a very robust.
If I typed it down,
Yeah.
so even if it's not down, they figure out. And it's a code.
It does actually affect the AI.
It knows. Yeah.
Yes, it's a code. It's not like an
It's
essay.
AI generated. AI generated.
طب أنا doctor, you could use AI but you can't copy paste the code, صح? I read something like
Yeah,
this.
that's one. I mean, you need to somehow work it out.
Okay.
So don't copy paste, of course. This
But just get the idea. You could get the idea.
Yes, and sometimes it could be true answer, but لأنه AI is detected, they reduce the score.
طب بركي ما فيها AI.
Then if it's solve the problem,
يعني أنا I did it بس أنا تفكير نفس تفكير AI مثلا.
يعني يعني that's perfect scenario.
It's never the case, I guess.
Are better.
Huh?
Yes, I'm talking about okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Like guys, okay. But allow me a few minutes عشان I finish this and let you go.
They can't see.
Third place, you have second place, that's a money prize for every member. Third prize as well, money prize for everyone. But again, this is exclusive only for members. So people who register with the membership, okay? Because some teams did register a single member, which is fine. But again, if this team won, only the member who registered will get a certificate and will get the prize if they scored a high rank. So 10 to 10, you get a merchandise bundle. 11 to 20 merchandise. Now this one here, 3 ranked team in each IEEE region. So this is across Middle East, okay? Again, merchandise. All participants will get a certificate. But again, this is registered members. So those who are having IEEE membership. Like,
Wait, so doctor, if we place first in Saudi, you get merchandise?
yes, yes. And you will get here also celebrations. Media coverage and yeah. We promise you great things if you do. Right, Anna, let me tell you about the course itself. So now we're trying to market with 201. Yeah. هندي كله بونص. طب قلت لي هو اوريدي ليكوا بونص.
ناخذ كلنا بونص. صح.
Yeah, because we said there's a dance plan.
Doctor Chinese.
Chinese.
You're better. You're better. Always. Always a Chinese that's better at doing something. Always. Don't exaggerate. We all have.
Guys, أنا حاطة في أملي إني أنا واحد أكون من التوب 10 على الأقل.
You don't want to finish it. But guys, there is Saudi ranking, there is Middle East, there is the world one, okay?
You just want the Saudi one.
I'm asking you for this. Work your best for this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, until this year too.
Yeah. And usually the competition is usually between us and Princeton Top. This is usually where we find the ranking. Which year won? No, they were seniors.
Makes sense.
But seniors are basic. They probably forgot all this stuff.
By the way, they might join us this year as well.
Me? Seniors?
They might join.
Me?
They might join as well.
Me?
Can you join?
I joined as a proctor.
Can you join as a coder?
I did already register as a proctor.
تقدرين تصيرين إنه يعني كذا.
Doctor, yeah.
Can we change our group and add a senior to it?
Ada?
Senior to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we can change because the registration finished.
It was no. It ends end of day.
No, doctor, yesterday.
End of 14 October.
Wallah, I thought that too. Then I asked the IEEE president, they're like,
لا لا قالوا بكرة اليوم اي 14 أكتوبر اليوم
We still have.
إلى آخر
Yeah, this is.
So guys, let me show you this. I know you missed it. There's that button. There's that button that says practice me in the end of your page after the prizes. When you click on it, you go to the Academy archive. So I'm trying to link it to the SE 201 course, okay? And this is going to be an optional assignment, okay? Guys, this is important. So, wallah, listen to me. That's an optional assignment, okay? What do you mean by optional?
Not mandatory.
Thank you. Yeah. So if you do it, this is 2% on the course. On the 201 course. So this is your participation, okay? But by participation we mean like you progress, not just register on the system and that's it. So your rank has to move. so we can tell that you're solving questions.
بس إذا ما عرفت يعني فهمتي بحاول بس
At
يمكن ما
least the
تعرف
easy
ولا
problems-
واحد.
At least the easy problems you will be able to solve.
بلكي لو كانوا نايمين at the easy questions. لو كانوا نايمين at the easy questions.
They will put it for you. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you.
Would they come with the same?
Will they what? Will they what? Yeah.
Would they come with the actual
Very, very close concept-wise. But let me tell you this. So every year, from year to year, they gather a group of scientist people who are super smart to put these problems. So ChatGPT is not usually solving it to the best of your knowledge. You're not going to find the magic there. Okay? Yes. This is the... Well, mostly at you. You want to participate? It's okay. Okay, so again, this is optional. If you do participate with a progress of ranking, this is 2%. Now, if you become among top people, I will give it a list of top 15
For 20.
in Saudi. Top 15 in Saudi.
They've been practicing this.
لا, practicing this.
لا
The actual
أنا
competition. Now, this is about another story, okay? You will get additional bonus, you will get other privileges. We'll tell you later on, okay?
Okay, we're gonna work hard.
Yes. So.
That's a chance, and let me tell you, it's the only chance for this course.
Doctor, I'm gonna start emailing seniors now. I'll ask them.
Yeah, of course.
Do you
that's great.
recommend anything?
They're all good. They're all good.
No, we don't need a
Anyone
senior.
who
We don't need a
wants-
senior.
anyone who wants to-
We have already seniors participating with us. You want females, right? I assume.
Female.
It doesn't matter.
Actually,
Actually, give us suggestions.
Okay, send me an email. I can share with you some names.
No, they want that.
yeah.
Yeah. I think this part is clear. Like last part, so you would know how to practice and how to prepare before we do the workshop for you. So here, when you click practice now, Wallah, I can't, I'm feeling very sick since morning. Wallah, my voice is almost disappearing. But just listen to me to that part. Here, we have, these are the topics that it covers. See all of these? These are the topics. Most of them are under data structures. So you will see PUDQ heap, stack trees,
Hash map.
sorting, hashing. These are the main topics, okay?
Yes.
Of course, you will see things like pit set, bitwise operations.
I can't see anything. I can't see anything that makes sense in the comment.
Matching, ready search. If you're good with math, read common
Oh هي
divisors.
حلوة هي calculate. Created common divisors.
So how would you start? Okay? So these questions are usually given a title, a classification, easy, medium, hard, hardest. Once you're done, you will see a percentage similar to this one. So this tells how good your code in solving the problem. Okay? So it could be the case that you're given, let's say, two scenarios, two inputs, let's say two sample outputs. Your code solves only one. So you get perhaps 50%. So you don't reject entirely and give you zero.
الرانك حقي بالعالم شلون يطلع لي؟
يطلع لك ويطلع لنا احنا we see the entire dashboard يعني احنا بنكون معاكم لايف
بس
شايفين
إن
اسماء
هذا يعني-
التيمز
يعني
فاتحين
ما
داشبورد.
يحدد المستوى حقي صح؟ يعني
Yeah, it's good for practice, guys. The team that won first place in Saudi last year, it was their third attempt. They did it when they were second years, when they were third years, when they were fourth years. So at least give it a start, okay? Then maybe in your senior year you will achieve something even bigger.
What's considered good for the percentage?
It's again, it depends on the total number of questions posted. I know it's variable from one year to another. Yes.
Question. شو اسمه؟ When we finish the question بيطلع لنا السؤال اللي بعده ولا لا؟ كيف؟
Okay, I'll tell you. Good question. Yes. So again, it opens since 3 a.m. Okay, you can start working on it till you come to the university. So now we will open the site here at 9 a.m. Okay?
Were there students that ever showed up to uni at 3 a.m.?
No, we never do.
That's not
No, no, no. starting from 8 or 9, okay, this is good.
But we're expected to work from home from
Yes, you can turn it on, like among yourselves as a team. Okay? You can even open a Zoom and discuss, this is fine. Okay? But the thing is, we can't do it here on site. That's going to be very critical. Again, we're not enforcing the full time here, like you don't have to spend it entirely, but at least 7 hours. I mean, this is the minimum number of hours to at least do something. Okay? So again, don't worry about anything. The arrangements will be fully ready for you, inshallah. Here is the classification of the question. You're asking me something, what was it?
كيف بيطلعوا الأسئلة؟ One by one ولا كيف؟
Yes, okay. So let's assume in the first hour they posted one easy question, let's say. If you're done, you got your score, let's assume you got 80%.
They give you a medium?
No.
Medium is a level of question.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Let's assume it's easy and your score when you submitted the code was 80%. If the next problem is not yet posted, you can just wait, relax, take a break, whatever, do anything you want. If you want to resubmit and enhance the score, you can still do
You
it.
can do that?
Yes.
But there's a chance it goes
But,
low.
yeah, exactly. So you keep this in mind. This can get lower.
Oh, but
Okay.
wait, Doctor, how are the questions released? Like by email, or do we have to have our laptop at all times?
Yeah, your laptop. Usually on that site, once you log in, you will start seeing notifications. A problem is posted, a problem is
I
posted.
feel like I'm in a movie.
What's
So
the
it's very nice, honestly. The experience, you will enjoy it, okay? Give it a try, we're here to support you. And we will try our best to make the process easy for you, inshallah. But give it the push, okay? Like, again, last thing, so once you open it, this is usually the problem description on left. I mean, this is easy, المفروض. So you're given inputs, outputs.
تماما. هذه.
That's the question, okay? That's the question
لا no.
with the possible inputs and their expected outputs, okay?
Doctor, and the time limits and memory limits up there.
Yes.
Do we have to also
Yes.
be in that? How
Yes.
can I check that while I'm typing?
The languages will help you with this.
Oh.
So again, work for optimization. You've taken the big O and B stuff, right? So that's the same exact thing, okay? So keep in mind the efficiency does actually matter here.
How can I check the memory limit?
Heaps, again, depends on the data structure you're using. Is it heap or linked list?
We
What
didn't
are
take
you
the
using?
calculator. We never took that. No, the memory. We know ON, but we don't know how to calculate. And we
I
don't
can
have-
share with you some good resources, it's okay. That's fine. I mean, if you solve at least the time without the memory, this is okay. That's why you get a percentage.
Oh.
We don't tell you that your answer is fully wrong. It could be correct, but it's not matching this constraint, right? Or let's say it's giving this output when you run this input, but when you run this input, you don't get this output. So they calculate it this way, okay? They look into this, they look into the constraints they put for you, and of course, the way you fulfill the entire description, okay? Here, after you log in, you can use your Google account, by the way, or IEEE account, in case you have it. Here you will see the IDE itself, so you can type the code, you can choose the language you're writing in, let's say Java, C, any possible language, and down here will be the output space. So you can run the inputs, same like the one given to you here. You can submit the answer if you're done. Like, this is the best you can do with this question.
Can we like code it and ask you about it?
I mean, it's not allowed, but we can help you with this, okay? Okay? So anyway, so this is what we have mostly. You can resubmit the same question multiple times, but again, be careful with this. You can use an offline IDE, like that's what I prefer. Go for Visual Studio Code, let's say, or I don't know, Apache, just any IDE that you're comfortable to use. Do the work on it, double check the inputs, the outputs. Once you have a good result, go submit.
Paste it.
Okay, but don't waste your attempts of submitting the code here.
How many are there? Two?
No, you can unlimitedly do it, it's fine. But every time it cuts out of your score.
Oh.
So keep this in mind, yeah. What else? You can consult ChatGPT. I'm not telling you don't use it, no, use it. But use it for consultation, especially with these cases. So, for example, before you start, get to know, for example, which language would be the best for you to use. If you know even how to do it in Java, it's not an issue to convert it. There are even some online IDEs that can convert a code for you from one language to another. So keep this in mind, okay? But get to know at least some help can be taken from ChatGPT to know which language, which data structure, how to store things, how many number of steps you need to stick to, and so on. Okay?
Yes.
That's it mostly. Do you have any questions here? All clear? So again, due date for registering is tonight, inshallah. And if you have any question at any point, please email us. You have the IEEE email, and they will respond to you immediately. Again, you don't need to worry much about payment. It's all about the certificate, but we will offer one certificate here at Al Faisal anyways for all participants, so even those who did not pay for the membership. But the international IEEE certificate is going to be issued automatically by them for the members, okay? Thank you. That's it.
Thank you.
Sorry, I took a lot of your time.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. I'll see you inshallah on Thursday.
Inshallah.
Have a great day.
Thank you.